Hello and welcome to EGW Writings Tech Tips. I'm your host, Daryl Thompson. Thank you for joining us in another of our series on learning how to use the EGW Writings website. And today, we're looking at navigation using the tree. Now you say, a tree in a website? Yes, well, what we have, some people may call a tree a table of contents, others may call it your library catalog. I'm just going to call it a tree because it sort of looks like that. You know, it's got different branches that come up and split off down throughout as we navigate through the different levels. So I call it a tree. But the best thing to do to show you how to use it is to dive right in. So in front of me here, I have opened up the website, our new website, egwwritings.org. And you say, well, I don't see any navigation here other than the tiles. And if you say that, you would be correct. But languishing in behind this icon here, to the left of the EGW Writings logo at the top in the header here, we have a little folder that looks like, you know, in a filing cabinet, you have the little filing folders, the little yellow, so now they're all different colors, and it looks like that. And if I click on that, it will open the file and expose what we call the language tree. Now, if I want to navigate to a book, I can click on Language, and now you can see that I have exposed 4 collections, and they are represented both over here in the tiles and in the tree. So I have EGW Writings, Reference, Bible, and Avernus Pioneer Library. So if I come down here and I open up EGW Writings, and you can see once I open up EGW Writings, it's represented here on the tiles and also in the crumb trail. So we are having 3 different methods of navigating to the same area. I can open books, and you can see here the same listing of all the book titles in this bookshelf are listed in a vertical list within the tree here, and also in the crumb trail here in a horizontal stack. So you can see the collections that we look through, and then these are the books. And if I navigate through the books into a book, then the next stack would show all the book levels. So in a tree here, I can scroll down to the book title that I want to go to. So say I want to go to the book Education, then I can just click on Education and it will open the book. And then if I want to navigate down to like a section within the book into chapter 1, I can expose the section and open it up by toggling the heading there. And now I'm in chapter 1 and I can open up directly in chapter 1. Now the tree is great in using because you can open up a second book by just dragging the book. So I just click, soon as I see the title appear, it goes into a split screen format and I can drop it up and drop it. So now I have Desire of Ages and Education. And that's the best way to use the tree to bring up a split format within the screen. So I can compare text between 2 books. And if I want to, scroll around to another book, say Acts of the Apostles, I can open it up and go back into the full screen, or I could use the same method of dragging in multiple book titles. So let me just collapse this and go to, say, Read. So I'm now in the book. Now, if I come down and I want to bring in Darkness Before Dawn, I long click and I can drag. I can do the same with Counsels on Health, long click and drag, and I can continue to do this and have up to 8 books. Now let me just click on this here. There we go, and drag it in. I can have up to 8 splits open at the same time. I think this is enough to demonstrate that basically you can use the tree to navigate around within a book. And it's great because in the book that I've selected, Counsels on Diets and Foods, it instantly, as I scroll through here, I can make it go full screen. As I scroll through here, you can see that it starts to navigate down in the tree. So as I go to chapter 1, it will highlight chapter 1. If I get into chapter 2, it will jump into chapter 2. Okay, so the tree will navigate wherever you are within the book. All right, so that's using the tree to navigate through all of the different book titles in the new EGW Writings website. I hope that little tech tip has helped you today. Bye for now.